everyone. Have you ever wanted to control a robot car wirelessly with a PS4 controller? In today's video, I will show you how to do just that using an ESP32. We will go step by step from pairing the controller to coding smooth movements. Stick around till the end because I'll also be testing it in action. Let's get started. Two pieces of the car chassis, four wheels and 4 gear motors, and some screws and nuts and spacers, L298 motor drive, ESP32, some jumper wires, double-sided tape, a battery holder, and two 4.2 volts batteries. Oh, and don't forget you need the controller, the PS4 controller. Now let's solder the wires to our gear motors. So I later on use this Vero board to solder some connectors on it so that I would just plug in the ESP32 and make some connections a little bit simple to do. For connecting the motors to the L29 motor drive, you should make sure that the red cables from the motors are connected together and the black are connected together.
Jack it up.
Okay, let's get to the code. So you have to go to File, Preferences, and you have to make sure you have installed the board URLs. So I will post the links in the description below. Make sure you install them before. After that, you have to go to the board manager. You have to type for BluePad and install the BluePad boards, which are the BluePad ESP32, and I've already installed them. Then you also have to install the ESP32 boards. So the ESP32 boards by Esperif Systems, I have already installed them. Now you have to choose the board and port. So for choosing the board, make sure, for me I'm using a ESP32 dev kit. Make sure you select the ESP dev kit with the BluePad ESP32. So make sure you don't just select the DOIT ESP32 with just ESP32 with no BluePad. Now when uploading the code, don't forget to press the boot key on the ESP32. As you can see now, I press, now it's uploaded. So now for connecting the PS4 controller to the ESP32, you have to press the share button and the on button, and you see the light will start flicking, and when it stops flicking, it means it have connected to the ESP32. And that's it. We successfully controlled our robot car using PS4 controller and an ESP32. This setup can be expanded with more features like obstacle avoidance or speed control. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment if you have any questions, and thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next project.